Hey folks, Scott Downer, General Manager of Southern Motors Acura. I got my main man here, Travis Morrison, our Service Manager. We have some great service specials all month long, and I wanted him to take just a moment to just explain a couple of them to you. The rest you can see on our Facebook every day. Travis?
Here you go. Hey guys. All right, so this month we want to do a free alignment check. Just come on in anytime that you want to, any make, any model. Come on in. We can do a quick check in the service lane. No appointment necessary. If we find out that you do need an alignment, not a problem. We'll give you $15 off of that alignment. Also, for all of the traveling that we're going to be doing this month for Thanksgiving, come on in. We can do a quick lane, free inspection, make sure the vehicle is roadworthy. Don't need an appointment. Just come on in. Make sure you're good to go before you hit the road.
Get everybody safe for the holiday travel.
Safe for the holiday.
That's exciting news. We're willing to do it for anybody. Just come on in. Let us double check your vehicle before you get on the road and make sure everybody's safe. We offer a complimentary appraisal on every vehicle that comes into the service department, so you know where you stand in equity, just in case you want to trade it in for a new car while you're here. Visit our service department. What's the hours?
7:30 to 6, Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 on Saturday.
Thank you so much. You can go online and schedule an appointment at SouthernMotorsAcura.com for easy convenience. Any type of appointment, you can schedule anything, right?
Anything.
Visit us online or come see us 102 Parkway Commerce Drive, Chatham Parkway, Savannah, Georgia 31405.
Hope to see you soon.
Happy holidays from us to you at Southern Motors Acura.